Hi, this is Allie, and a lot of you have been asking how to make these cool newspaper little planting pots. And it's really cool because when you plant them into the ground, you don't need to transplant the plant because the seeds or the roots will just sprout out the sides of the thing, and they're really fun to make. So what you do first is you fold it in half, and try not to fold it the natural fold that it has because that isn't like where it's supposed to be. And then you make it so that the side that we fold it on is away from you. And you fold it over like that, if I can, like you're making a paper hat. And then you fold this over like that. And then you fold it over again. Then we're going to flip this over, and what we're going to do next is we're going to fold this in towards the middle. And then in again. Oops, if I can. So that it looks like this. And then we're going to fold this up until these squares. And then we fold it up again. And now this is the hard part. We're going to take this and we're going to try to fit it inside these pockets here if I can. It's a little harder. Then once I tuck these edges in that weren't supposed to come out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this top corner and we're going to fold it to the corner, it doesn't matter which corner. And you're just going to make a crease right here, that's all you need. And then so that when you open it up, it'll want to fold over like that. And it's a good thing because all you have to do is fold it over then, and you have your little planter box. Bye.